What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the recycle bin on your Android device. Unlike a desktop OS, Android doesn't have a recycle bin feature in the same sense that Windows does. However, many file management apps include a similar functionality to manage and restore deleted files. To get started, open up the Files app on your Android device. This might be named differently depending on your device's manufacturer, such as My Files, File Manager, or simply Files. Once the app is open, navigate to the main menu until you find the Utilities section. The layout of the Files app can vary, so you might need to look around a bit or use the search function within the app if you're having trouble locating Utilities. Under Utilities, you should see an option labeled Trash or Recycle Bin. Also, do note that for some devices, there will be no Utilities section. In that case, you only need to find the recently deleted folder situated somewhere on your main Files page menu. Tap on it to view all your recently deleted files. Here, you'll find a list showing each file's name, size, and the date it was deleted. This section acts like your recycle bin on your PC, where deleted files are temporarily stored before being permanently removed from your device. If you found a file you want to restore, simply long press on that file to select it. After selecting the file, a menu will appear at the bottom of the screen with the option to restore. Tap Restore and the file will be moved back to its original location on your device. If instead you wish to permanently delete the file, you can select the Delete option from the same menu. For those who want more information about a file before deciding what to do with it, you can usually tap on the file to view its details, such as its full path, size, and more. If you need to select multiple files for restoration or deletion, simply long press on the file and then tap on the others you wish to select. Once you've made your selection, you can choose to either restore or delete all selected files using the options that appear. Remember, the ability to recover deleted files is not unlimited. Files in the trash or recycle bin are typically only kept for a certain period before being permanently deleted to free up storage space. So, if you've accidentally deleted something important, it's best to recover it as soon as possible. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.